Side dish for dinner? Let's make cabbage steaks. Hi there, Shelly here with Shelly Can Help. And I'm excited about this recipe because it is one of the easiest side dishes you can make. But not only is it easy, it's delicious, it's quick, and it's healthy. So let's get started. We're gonna make cabbage steaks today. We're gonna roast them in the oven, and then we're gonna put this amazing sauce over them and drizzle them with some goodies. So without further ado, let's make cabbage steaks. When you are cutting your cabbage, you just want to make sure that the knob is on the side, and then we're just going to cut into it. And you can do them any thickness that you want. We just want to make sure they're thick enough to stay together as much as possible. That first layer on the outside probably will fall off, and that's okay. Keep cutting. And of course, the steaks are going to get bigger as you cut into the center of it, so then I like to turn it around. We'll go ahead and cut the stem off. Cabbage is so very good for us. It is loaded with fiber. Fiber is important in our diets because the reason that none of us are getting enough fiber is because the American diet is loaded with preservative-ridden foods. All the boxed stuff, the canned stuff, the jarred stuff. They strip a lot of fiber out of those for preservative purposes. So we're lacking fiber in our daily diet. So it's important for us to get fiber back into our diet, and it's much better to get it from food than to get it from a powder that you put into water. All right, so now we are going to, I'm just gonna scoot this over. We're going to go ahead and put it on our sheet. Make sure you can see. There we go, just like so. And we are just gonna line these bad boys up. I'm going to go ahead and just lay them on a parchment-lined baking sheet. And the outside layer is gonna fall right off, which is just fine. So pretty. Wait till they're cooked. Oh, beautiful. All right, I'm gonna cut this one like this because I cut a little uneven. Let's see if I can do this without messing it up too bad, so we can get one more steak out of it. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna take that center off, and we're gonna do a ring like so. Whoops. Like so, and like, take this outer ring off, like so. So then we have, there we go, perfect. You just gotta be, think outside the box. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna drizzle some extra virgin olive oil on our steaks. You can use avocado oil too. I wanted the flavor of the extra virgin olive oil in this one because we're gonna rub some garlic on it. Now this is where you're just gonna kind of get in there and get messy. Make sure that oil is dispersed over the whole top of that steak. We're gonna sprinkle it with actually before we sprinkle it with sea salt, I'm gonna take a little bit of garlic and cut a flat spot on it. And I'm just gonna take that garlic and give the steaks a nice garlic rub. Now, by all means, if you want really strong garlic, just mince your garlic and lay it right on top. Completely up to you. I just want a little hint of the garlic flavor. And now we're gonna sprinkle it with sea salt, not white table salt. Sea salt has all the nutrients and minerals that is really good for us. Get the minerals from the sea. And of course, no recipe is complete without black pepper. And it's that easy. We're gonna put these in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. And while these are in the oven, I'm gonna whip up the drizzle, the sauce that we're gonna pour over the steaks when they come out of the oven. So put these in the oven and I'll be right back. All right, we are going to now make the drizzle. It's kind of like a mustard base drizzle to go over the cabbage steaks. Of course, you can use any sauce that you want that's going to enjoy, that your taste buds are going to enjoy, but this is just one idea to make this recipe delicious. We are going to start off with a couple of tablespoons of red wine vinegar. And some Dijon mustard. And we're going to use some coarse ground mustard. And some honey. Oh, quiet, Millie. This is a local raw honey from our neighbors behind us. Now we just want to give that a whisk. I love anything with mustard in it. I love the kind of the spiciness of it. Now you always want to taste your food as you go. The honey just seals it right up. Okay, cabbage is still cooking. When it comes out, we're going to drizzle this around. And now what I'm going to do really quick is just toast some slivered almonds to sprinkle over the cabbage steaks. The cabbage is out of the oven. I'm so excited. I can't wait for you to see it because it's absolutely beautiful and it makes me want to just eat it right now on camera, but we have to add all the goodies to the top first. So here it is. I put it in the oven for 20 minutes on 375 and then I turned on the broiler for about 5 to 6 minutes. You just want to watch it closely to make sure that it's not, burning. So now we are just going to drizzle with a little bit. I'm not going to put it on all of them. I'm just going to put it on one today. Let's go with this one. Drizzle like that. We're going to add a little chopped up parsley and some toasted almonds. I put a little sea salt on them in the video. And there you have it. Absolutely beautiful and simple. Let's see if we can get a little closer view. Gorgeous, beautiful, easy side dish. Of course, my recipes are dairy and gluten-free. If you want to sprinkle a little bit of crumbled goat cheese on top, that would really add some richness to it. You could also take some nutritional yeast and sprinkle that on top. Whatever you prefer, make it your own recipe. You can always get the full recipe down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about me and my services and my classes, head to ShellyCanHelp.com. And of course, I'm always appreciative if you'll follow me on social at, Shelly Can Help on all platforms. Have an incredible day. Thanks for watching. I'm going to go for now, but I do have one question before I do. What is on your fork? See you later.